to show you how to do is change the rear taillights on your HHR. These are LED taillights that would be put in. I have the original ones. This is what the original ones look like. That. They were all fogged up. Actually, what happened was one of the bulbs went bad on the other side. So instead of just changing the bulb, I decided to get all new taillights. So I got these nice LEDs. They have the middle lights up for turning, and then also for running lights, the outside ring lights up in red. And this lights up in red on the bottom, and then your reverse, you have the clear. That only goes on in reverse. So before, this bottom one would not be illuminated at all. There's only one bulb just for reverse. And even though it has a red ring, there's nothing to, it wouldn't shine. So now I got there's extra two tail lights. Not brake lights. When you hit the brakes, these still go on, but these are always on. They're like running lights. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. All right, so I want to show you. These are on the HHR. These are the original tail lights. They're all faded. I don't know what happened here. Something scraped it, but they're all fogged up. I've been wanting to get the driver's side all fogged up. Been wanting to get new tail lights for a while, and I looked at getting just replacements of the stock, but then I saw some LED ones. I found these on eBay. They are IPCW Impro Carware. So got these on eBay, and they're all LEDs. So you have the top light and then the bottom light with the reverse in it. And I want to put these in today. So that's them. It looks like they're fairly simple to install. There's two connectors. I think this on the other side. There's a connector here, connector here. So I'm going to take the old ones out, and I'll put these new ones in, and I'll test them out. I'm sure these are going to be a lot brighter than those fogged up original ones. All right. Okay, first thing I do is a panel right here. Just use a screwdriver and just pop it off. Pop it off. All right, that's good. Move that out of the way. Then inside here, now you know if you're not going to be able to see, there's the connectors for the bulbs, and then there's three 10 millimeter bolts that I have to take off inside there, and then the light comes right out. So let me see if I can show you that. So you can see the three 10 millimeter bolts, and there's the connector. That's for the bottom one. The top one is there, and we just have to pull those off, and it's fairly easy. So let's put this back up. So first thing I'm going to do is pull these connectors off. I had to. Well, let me just pull this whole bulb out. It twists. The connector is hard to get off. So the instructions say, take the bulb out, and I'm just going to throw it out because it's not going to put it back in. You keep the socket that the bulb was in, and you take. So this is the top one, right? Just the red. You take this connector and you plug it in here. It has a little note, black to black. So you look on your wire. Look on the wire on the connector. So you have yellow, brown, and then the black ones right here. You just have to make sure that your black one is lined up with that. That's what it means. So I'm just going to leave this connected, the socket in there. For when I put the LED, I'll just connect it. Bottom one And the reason why you have to do that is because LEDs have polarity, positive and negative. Incandescent doesn't matter, it just needs the voltage. And this one's being a pain. The bolt is turned, I can't get the connector off. Alright, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take the whole thing off. The whole light. Alright, so now, that was this one here. I'm just going to push on it. Well, there's a cover, and then I'm going to push on it. There. There's a seal. I'll show you in a second. But I want to pull this connector off. There. There's a seal right here. So it gets a little bit stuck on the, from what? This is 2008, like 10 plus years of being stuck on the car. So you just got to turn this. There. So you already have LED in there. These work pretty good. But now I'm replacing the whole thing, so I don't need that LED bulb. But they want me to keep the socket connected. So I'm keeping the socket connected. And you'll see what happens later. And then there's this piece here that goes over. So that was, this is what keeps it, this is what keeps it in, like this. Somehow, yeah. So taillight was inside, this was on there, and this holds it to the body. So you need to reuse this piece. This you can do whatever you want with. So that's the backup light. Let me get the, oh, the other thing I'm doing is, if you look from years and years, that thing beyond there is a bunch of dirt and whatever grime on there. I'm going to take some quick detailer, spray it on there and get that dirt off. So, quick detailer. And I just use this stuff right here. Chemical guys. Alright, so let's put the backup light. Have that. In. Now take the top one off. Now the top one. 2. 3. Turn this to tighten. Tighten this thing up. Okay, now the wiring. It comes with instructions. They came with instructions. I read through them real quick. Alright, so you take, this is the top, and this is the top, and you have to line up black to black. So, there's one with the tag on it, is the black one. This one here, To the right is black, so I'm going to flip this. There we go. Put this in. It just snaps in like a bulb. So that's done. Get the big wire on the bottom. You have to do the same thing, black to black. So you have green. You have green and black. Green on the left, black on the right, like this. Black to black, like this. And this plugs in just like the light did. Just like the bulb did. Just simple, just like the bulb. Goes in. There. Okay, I think the bulb might have actually went in a little bit easier, but anyway. I'll fix this wire loom in case somebody sees it. And those should be 2 other thin wires from the bottom and from the top, and you connect them. I think what this does is it connects the outer ring, outer red ring. There's not that much room in here. It only goes in one. Where's the connector? See, the connector is right here. Okay, like this, and it snaps in, done. Now, let's turn the lights on and see what they look like. Backup lights. Let's see. Let me turn this light off, big light off. It's backup lights. Headlights. Brake. Out of reverse. Flashers. Okay, that's the hazards. Left. Let's go right one. Okay, they all work. Is new taillights. Once the car looks as clean, it'll probably look a little bit better. That's how you do it.